Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be making a card and I'm excited to be using this new die set that I received recently from Craftsbuyer. It's the Old People's die. I really love all of the elements out of here. I just think this is so sweet and so cute. I am going to be making a birthday card for my older sister. Now, she is by no means old, but she is older than me, and as her younger sister, I feel it's my duty to kind of take the mick. So I'm going to make her a card with this die. Okay, so I have done a lot of the prep work already off camera, so you are not watching me cut things out with my die cutting machine and stamp. But I will show you obviously all of the pieces. Here's that cute old lady. I've got her knitting and everything. My sister does actually knit. It's something she started off reasonably recently. So yeah, I just thought that screams old lady. Even though I do know young people knit, actually I'd love to learn to knit. I just don't think I have the patience for it. My sister's all very much into gardening as well. She doesn't have a garden. She actually lives in London, but she has a lovely balcony which she's kind of turned into her own little garden. So that's what I've tried to do with the scene in the background. So I've stamped some houses at the back. This is by no means what my sister sees when she looks out on her balcony, but that's all I had. I have a white fence there, and then I've just done some slight ink blending at the bottom just to make it look a bit like grass. Now my intention is to have my sister standing on her balcony with all the flowers down at the bottom and then a banner at the top just to kind of add some colour up there as well. And the sentiment says, "I'm not going to make fun of your age. I know how sensitive old people can be." Again, just a fun little saying. I know she's not old, but I like to take the mick. Now I will have my sister standing here to the side. The idea is that she'll be up on foam tape though, so she kind of stands out from everything else, so the fence will obviously be glued in its spot there. It is a little bit longer than my card base, but once everything's all stuck down then I can kind of trim around the edges once I'm finished. Now I'm not going to talk throughout the entire process because as you can probably still hear, I'm still trying to get over my cold, which is why I'm also doing a voiceover, so at least I can pause, take breath, cough if I need to. So the rest of the video is just going to be a sped up process, but I hope you enjoy watching and yeah, hopefully get inspired about how you could use such fun dies as well in your own crafting. And that is my finished card. I am so happy with how this one turned out. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. This set is definitely a fun one to play with, and that's what we like in our crafting, lots of fun. Here are a couple of other cards that I've made recently too, using the other die that I received from Craspire. Again, great dies, they cut so well, and I think they make cards look just so beautiful and professional. Well, thank you very much for joining me for this video. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day, and I will see you in the next video. See you later now. Bye bye.